Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will study a question related to teletherapy, external beam radiation. So we'll start with the question. The nurse is teaching general skincare guidelines to a client receiving teletherapy or external beam radiation therapy. Which statement does the client make that indicate proper understanding of the teaching? Select all that apply. So it is a select all that apply question, which means that we should have a clear idea, then only we can pick all the correct answers. That is the first point. And the second point, here the question looking for some of the positive statement, because here it says proper understanding, indicate proper understanding. So out of these 5 options, which all are the correct options or the teaching given by the nurse that understand the client. So the client will make some of the correct statement. So here we are looking for the good statement options. We'll read the options first, then we'll move to the topic. Option 1 says, I may apply an ice pack to the treatment site if it begins to burn. Excuse me. Option 2, I will rub baby oil after each treatment to prevent dry skin. Option 3, I will use extra measures to protect my skin from sun exposure. Option 4, I will wash the treatment site with the lukewarm water and mild soap. Option 5, I will wear soft, loose fitting clothing. Might be some of you got the correct answers, but we will just study the topic because some still have the confusion. What do you mean by teletherapy? See, the client receiving teletherapy or the external beam radiation often experience significant effects to the skin of treatment area. So what time we will prescribe this therapy? For the treatment of the cancers. So those who are exposing or those who are taking this particular therapy, they should be very much careful about the skin care, because they have some side effects on that particular area where they are exposing the radiation or where they are receiving the teletherapy, external beam radiation. Teaching essential for skincare standards to these clients is focused on preventing the infection and promote healing the affected skin. So the main aim of this therapy or after this therapy, teaching of this therapy is to prevent the infection and promote the healing of the affected skin. That's why health education is very important for the client who is receiving teletherapy, for preventing infection as well as promote the healing of the affected skin. Then some of the key measures that will support or that is necessary to prevent these infections and to take care of the skin. The first point, that is protect the skin from infection by not rubbing, scratching or scrubbing. We saw this option in the question, right? So if the client who is taking teletherapy, that particular affected area, they should not scrub with anything or they should not scratch and they should not rub. If they will do, that will exacerbate the infection or that will produce and the problem and the wound, the particular affected skin will not become healed. So what are some of the measures we can take to protect that one? Wear soft, loose fitting cloth or cloth that like cotton cloth that is very loose. Then use soft cotton bed sheets and towels. We know that sometimes some type of bed sheets that may irritate the skin. So should not use such kind of bed sheets or towels. They should use very soft cotton sheets and towels. Pat skin dry after bathing. They will be very pat dry the skin. Avoid applying bandages or tape to the treatment area or the skin where it is exposed to radiation. They should not be apply any bandage. Then the next main point, that cleanse the skin daily by taking a lukewarm water. So we should not use any harsh deodorant soap or fragrance soap. Instead of that, we should use some mild soap. Then do not wash off any radiation ink marking. That is a very important point. Definitely we can expect some questions from this area. That's why we are discussing in a very detail about this teletherapy. See, we know that the client who is receiving this teletherapy, there will be a marking on that area. Should not remove that marking. That is very important. Should not remove by anything. Then use only cream or lotions approved by the healthcare provider. They should not use any over-the-counter creams or lotions, moisturizers, or any deodorants, fragrance, or perfumes, anything. They should use anything that is only recommended or only prescribed by the healthcare provider who know about the client therapy and the client present condition. Then shield the skin from the effects of sun during the after treatment. So if the client who is taking this therapy, they should use some protective measures, or they should avoid exposure that area to the sun, especially during and after therapy. So avoid tanning beds and sunbathing. Wear a broad brimmed hat or long sleeves and long pants when outside. While they are going outside, they should cover that area. That's why they should use some long sleeves cloths, and the pants that should cover the full hands and legs and the dress. Then they should use some broad brimmed hat, so it will not be exposed, the body will not expose to more sunlight. Then use a sunscreen that is at least the SPF will be 30 or higher. So the the skin protective factor, so the SPF will be more than 30 or at least 30. Then the sun protective factor. Then another point, that avoid extreme skin temperatures. So they should not use any heating pads or ice packs, and the environment should be a very comfortable environment. So these are some of the main points that is related to teletherapy. I hope it's clear to you. What are the points that we studied? What is teletherapy? And it is an external beam radiation for the treatment of cancers, and how the skin care, what are the things should do, what kind of clothes should take, and what are the measures that can take prevent the exposure to sun, and what are the things they should avoid, like fragrant deodorant, hard soaps or perfumes, and moisturizers, over the counter creams. And they should avoid using cold tanning beds or sunbathing. They should avoid using this ice packs or heating pads. So these are some of the main points. And should not remove the ink marking that is mentioned on the skin, the radiation ink marking, that should not remove. That is also very important. So now we will come back to our question. So what all are the correct statement here which will indicate the client understand? Option 1 says, I may apply an ice pack to the treatment site if it begins to burn. We said that they should not apply ice pack or heating pad. So option 1 we can eliminate, it is a wrong statement. Option 2, I will rub baby oil after each treatment to prevent dry skin. We studied that they should not rub, scratch, or any harsh drying of the skin. They should not do anything. They should only pat dry the skin even after the bath. Also they should be really pat drying. No rubbing, scratching, or scrubbing. So option 2 is also a wrong statement. We can eliminate. Now we have eliminate option 1, option 2. We'll see option 3. I will use extra measures to protect my skin from sun exposure. That is a correct statement. We studied that they should use some broad brim hat, long sleeves clothes, and they should avoid exposure to the sunlight. They should cover the body properly. So option 3 is a correct statement. Then option 4, I will wash the treatment site with the lukewarm water and mild soap. Yeah, that is acceptable. That is recommended by the healthcare provider. They should use only some mild soap and lukewarm water. They should not use any harsh soaps, deodorants, fragrance, or perfumes, anything. Option 5, wear soft, loose fitting clothing. That is also a correct statement. So here our answers are option 3, option 4, and option 5. And I hope you clear that why option 1 and option 2 is incorrect statement or wrong answers. So if you like the way we are discussing, and you want to discuss any topic more, or you want to discuss more questions related to this particular topic, please mention in the comment box. Definitely we will do it, because I want all of you to study well, and I wish you all the best to everyone. Bye bye.